All right, here we have a number line and it says use fraction benchmarks to put each fraction or decimal on the number line. So my first decimal here is 75 hundredths. Now I know 75 100ths is equivalent to 3/4 or 3/4. And I can find that pretty easily on the number line. That's a nice benchmark. I know 1/4 would be halfway between 0 and 1/2. And I know 3/4 would be halfway between 1/2 and 1. So right here, I can put 75 hundredths or 3/4. My next fraction here is 10/8. Now right away, I'm seeing this is an improper fraction. 10 is greater than 8. So I know I'm going to have something greater than 1 on my number line. I can pull 1 whole out of this, which is 8/8. And then after I pull 8/8 out of 10/8, I would have 2/8 left over. So now I'm working with 1 and 2/8 on the number line. Well, I know that 2/8 is equal to 1/4. So now I have 1 and 1/4. Now again, fourths I like to use on the number line. That's a good benchmark. And I know 1/4 would be here. So now I know that I can put 1 and 1/4 right here, which is equal to 1 and 2/8, which is also equal to 10/8. All right, my next one here is 1 and 2/3. That is a number that I like to work with. I know that it's going to be greater than 1 on my number line because we have 1 whole right here. And then I know that I can split up my number line into thirds by making 3 jumps, which would make right here 1 and 2/3. Lastly, I have 50 hundredths, which I know is equivalent to 1/2. So I'm going to go on my number line and find where my 1/2 benchmark is, which is right here. So I can go ahead and put 50 hundredths on the number line.